Hi, and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a banana blueberry bread. So in this bowl I have 3 ripe bananas. I'm just going to mash them with a fork. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. There's half. And 1/4, that's 3/4. And I'm going to incorporate that sugar into the banana mixture. There we go, that's pretty good. And I want a 1/2 cup of margarine. There's 1/2 cup of margarine. And I'm going to whip it around and break up that margarine. I've already got my oven going at 350. And that's good. It's in small pieces. So then I want 2 eggs. Well, that egg is no good. That piece of shell out of there. And that piece of shell out of there. And we'll try these eggs. One. And 2 eggs. Get those beat into the mixture. Yeah. Losing my spoon. Or my fork, rather. And I'm going to trade my fork and start using a spoon. Then I want to add 1/3 cup of milk. That's stirred in. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and stir it in. Then I want 2 cups of flour. There's 1 cup. And the 2nd cup. And there's my banana bread dough. Then I'm going to add two cups of blueberries. Lovely fresh blueberries. And stir them into the mixture. I have a lightly oiled and floured loaf pan. I'm going to start putting my bread batter into it. And there we have it. We're going to stick it in the oven. And allow it to bake for 50 to 60 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with the banana blueberry bread. And you can see it's full of blueberries. Yeah, get that in the camera. Cut a slice off the end. We're going to give it a little try. Very nice. Very, very nice. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.